kaksi, kolme saunaa.
Rap, rap, no, no. Yeah. Hey yo, what's good everyone? How is the Sweden doing? How is everyone doing? Okay, so I'm traveling from Jamaica back in Sweden. So it's like to Sweden from Jamaica to Sweden, because I'll be in and out just to experience what the KAJ brothers is doing. So as I'm here today, I'll be reacting to Bara, Bada, Bastu live and Unplugged. Alrighty. So this is definitely not my first time hearing about Bara, Bada, Bastu. I've heard the live performance and also heard the music video, but I want to hear what the Unplugged sounds like. So with this being said, let's see what KAJ, the three brothers, up to. Peace.
Hello everybody, we are Kai, Kevin, Axel and Jacob, and we are representing Sweden this year in...
Hey, I've heard artists from Sweden, and boy oh boy, hey, to be honest with everyone here, Sweden have some very good potential artists. And here is three of them now representing Sweden, bro. I love Sweden music. I like some sweet artists comes from Sweden. Trust me on that, bro.
The Eurovision Song Contest. And this is the acoustic version of our song Bara, Bada, Bastu.
Yksi, kaksi, kolme saunaa.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, dog. Like, this music is literally 1 in a billion. 1 in a billion. These three men, every one of them is very talented.
Klockor slår, nu är det dags. All bekymmer försvinner strax. Bästa Baltic för kropp och själ. 4 väggar i träpanel.
Yo, to be honest, dog, they do not need things like a lot of autotune, because what I'm hearing now, bro, it's authentic, bro. It's very authentic. Nothing needs to be adjusted here, bro. Wow, hey, this is naturally amazing, dog.
För din värme lika bra som tango med arja sajona.
Yksi, kaksi, kolme saunaa.
Vi ska bara bastu, om och nappa och släppa stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glöder 100 grader.
Wow, this is perfect. This is sounding exactly like the live performance and also the music video. No addition, bro. No addition. This is what we call a talented talent, right? Because when I heard them the first time, I was shocked. Like, I was very surprised, right? And to see them doing the acoustic version without the instrumental sounding the same, bro, damn, they are built for this. They are built for this.
Bara, bara, bastu, heita på så sveitin bara hyr. Bara bastu, yo.
To be honest, bro, these guys can do a cappella, right? And they do have a voice that is literally can break the wall of Jericho. They do, bro. The power of these man's voice, right? Whenever time they united with the voice, forming an harmony, right? With them harmonizing together, bro, the sound is very, very ravishing, plenishing sounds, bro. Coming from this three man, whenever time they synchronize together, bro.
Vi ska bara bastu, ångor och på, släpp all stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glödar 100 grader.
Naturally talented. Naturally talented. I gotta say, Sweden, you guys are doing well. Very well. Right? And I've seen so much competitors, but you guys are in the batch that stand out on top. And you guys have a high probability of winning. You guys have that, bro. Based on what I'm seeing, based on what I'm observing about these competitors, bro, you guys are in the batch to be the next submission to go up in the semifinals and also the finals, right? And close to the semifinals. You guys are doing well.
Bara bastu, hejta på så svettin bara hyr. Bara bastu jo.
Sauna.
This is music. This is good music. You know, good music like this is needed, right? Because we are hearing some darn music that shouldn't be music, that shouldn't be in this playing world, right? Sometimes people do some music and the trash music sells, but the good music will never reach to the limit unless it's working for someone's favor. But the trash music always seems to get the breakthrough first, right? And these guys, their music are so good. And I do hope that everyone takes a look into their music and to share their music, to support their music, because they are some very good artists. And I can't deny the fact that they are doing some excellent work.
Yeah.
Tick tack, hur länge orkar du? 90 grader, vi är nästan där.
Perkele, Eva på värmajär.
Svett i lackan, ja.
1, 2, 3 sauna.
Rap! No! Yeah. Definitely talented. Definitely talented.
Vi ska bara bastu, ångorna på, släpp all stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glödar 100 grader nöja. Bara bastu.
Bro, you know, I'm a big supporter of KAJ, right? These three men, brothers, friends, it doesn't matter, right? Once they're doing this together, they are brothers. Bloodline are just friendship wise, they are brothers. And I support them. You know why? Because they are making a very strong team. And I heard this saying says, 2 heads is better than 1. And if there are 3, there's an unstoppable force. Alright? And these guys, they are unstoppable. Because every individual is playing a vital role, and the role that they are playing, it's been demolishing, bro. It's been making dominance. It's doing excellently. And I have to applaud them. Bro. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. I'm loving it.
Bastu, hejta på så svettin bara hyr. Bara bastu jo.
Sauna.
Bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara hej så
Peitar.
bara bastu.
Yo, this is music, dog. Man. This is music. Bada bastu. Bada bastu. Wow. Okay. Let's continue.
Bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu, bara bastu. Vi ska bara bastu, hångla på, släpp all stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glödar 100 grader nöja. Bara.
Who else is feeling happy? Who else is having a happy momentum listening to these guys? Like, bro, what a happy music. Yo, I am feeling great.
Bastu, hejta på så svettin bara hyr. Bara bastu jo.
Sauna.
Bara bara bastu, bara
Wow, beautiful guitar playing. You know, yo, I gotta say, this is a complete package. This is a complete package.
bara bastu, bara 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 bastu, bara bara bastu, bara bara bastu, bara 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 bastu.
Nice, nice, excellently, guys. Excellently, 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 excellently.
Sauna.
Hey! Great job.
Oh yeah.
Professionals. You think they?
Did you guys shake hands?
We need it.
Great job, guys. Great job. You guys done well. Very well. Wow. That was something. That was something. That was really good. So if you guys reach thus far in this reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified for another Sweden reaction and become a member of this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another Sweden video.